So if you've got a spare 5 minutes, do this with me now. We're just going to increase your daily step count at home. It's a really lovely, quick little walking routine you can do at home. So let's have some fun and just follow along. We're going to start with a basic march for the first 30 seconds. You can see on the left, you've got your countdown stopwatch. And every 30 seconds, I'm going to give you a slightly different variation of an indoor walking exercise. So just march with good form. And the fun thing is today is just to see how many steps you can do in your spare 5 minutes. That's good. And now let's have a look at the next move. We're just going to go a side step. So just step from side to side for me. And this is going to really help to boost your circulation. And this is really going to get your blood flowing, helping deliver oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. And every step you take is simply making you fitter and stronger. That's good. And again, just keeping that going. So we're going to get ready to change the step. So for your next step this time now, just give me a slightly higher knee march. Keep that upper body nice and straight. And even just a few minutes of just walking can really trigger those feel-good hormones. And also it's really good to boost that circulation and strengthen the most important muscle of all, which is your heart. And well done, that's good, keeping that going. So for your next move, this time we're just going to do 2 side steps. So now just stepping 2 steps at a time, so working laterally. And this is really good if you spend a lot of time sitting. We want to break those periods up by doing quick little bursts of movement. So this is a great go-to little workout. And that's instantly going to really increase your energy levels as well. That's good. And just really keep those feet moving nice and fast. All right, so for our next move, this time just give me a very light little kick and walk. So we're just doing that walking exercise, but we're just adding that little kick. And what I want to do is just be able to really create these little healthy habits with these exercise snacks, because let's be honest, whenever we've got 5 minutes free, we can do these 500 steps. It's all about having that active lifestyle for better health. All right, that's good. And just give me that little kick. And now it's time to change steps. Let's just go as fast as you can now. So let's just keep those feet moving, because we're going to really try and boost that step count. And for more daily motivation, definitely if you're not already, come and find me on Facebook under Lucy Squad. All right, that's good. Let's just keep those feet going really fast on there for me. And well done. All right, next step, let's just go for doing this lateral side step. We're just doing a little bit of a knee lift as well. And these small little bursts of exercises really help to control blood sugar spikes, but they're also really good to help to contribute to that cardiovascular fitness and health that we all want. And as I always say, if you're able to be here right now doing this workout with me, recognize that your body is already incredible, and all we're doing is we're just improving our health. That's good. So next one, let's drive those knees up. We've nearly finished today. Take those knees up nice and high. Focus on really keeping those core muscles pulled in tight. And as I said, this quick little walk is going to boost your circulation and your oxygen flow in your body. All right, that's good. And we're nearly finished on this one. So let's have a look at your next move. This time, just do it where we're just doing a side step, but we're just going to do a full arm swing here as well. And as I always say in all my videos, every time you exercise, this is all about investing in your future health. You know, in life, 2 things we need is health and happiness, and then we have everything. It's good. And just keeping that going side to side. All right, so last one, let's get those steps up. Let's see how many you can do. And remember, 500 is an approximate. All our step count will vary, but the fact is you've moved your body for 5 minutes, and that's what's key. All right, that's good. Last little bit. Let's just keep going. nearly there, and I'm going to count you down. Let's go for those last. Are you ready? 5, take it, 4, 3, 2 and 1, and well done. All right, what I want you to do is just slowly march it out. Let's just get your heart rate back down for me. So well done. There's your high five. And remember, what you and I have just done right now is invest in your future health. Just 5 minutes, that's all it took. I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.